Hash functions are used in cryptography, password security, and message security. Today, I will discuss the important examples of cryptographic hash functions, so stay tuned till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to FameWorld Educational Hub. I am Ashwara Saxena and this is Blockchain Tutorial Series. Cryptographic hash functions are widely used in cryptocurrencies to pass transactions information anonymously. Example Bitcoin, the original and largest cryptocurrency, uses the SHA-256 cryptographic hash function in its algorithms. Similarly, IoTA, a platform for the Internet of Things, has its own cryptographic hash functions called curl, CURL. However, hashes have other applications in the real world. Let's discuss some of the important cryptographic applications. Number 1. Password verification. Storing passwords in a regular text file is dangerous, so nearly all sites store passwords as hashes. When a user input their password, it is hashed and the result is compared to the list of hashed values stored on the company's server. Number 2. Signature generation and verification. Verifying signatures is a mathematical process used to verify the authenticity of digital documents or messages. A valid digital signature, where the prerequisites are satisfied, gives its receiver strong proof that the message was created by a known sender and that the message was not altered in transition. A digital signature scheme typically consists of three algorithms: a key generation algorithm, a signing algorithm that gives a message and private key, produces a signature, and a signature verifying algorithm. Marketry, a technology used in cryptocurrencies, is a kind of digital signature. Number 3. Verifying files and message integrity. Hashes can be used to make sure messages and files transmitted from sender to receiver are not tampered with during transaction. The practice builds a chain of trust. For example, a user might publish a hashed version of their data and the key so that recipients can compare the hash value they compute to the published value to make sure they align. I hope you have got the idea of the stuff I discussed in this video. If you have any queries, drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.